Welcome. This is an introduction to GIMP. So what we're looking at here is the user interface. Down here on the right you've got the layers panel. This is something you're going to need to use today, the layers panel. Over here you've got the toolbox. So we're going to use 5 tools today. The move tool, this one's selected already. If you put your cursor on the tools you can see what they are for. This one is called the crop tool. It's for cutting down images to size. This one is the rotate tool, so if we want to turn around an image, that's what we will use, and we will use it today. The scale tool is for resizing images or resizing different elements on your design, maybe text as well. And the last one is the text tool. So when we want to do our titles or our body text, we'll use this one. Okay, so to start with, you need to make your page, your artboard. So go to New. Let's change this to centimeters, the size. Now the size of our poster, let's just work with an A4 size. So that's going to be the width 21 centimeters, the height 29.7. Okay. Right. So now we've got our artboard. Let's go over to the layers panel here and lock it. Okay, you can see the chain appearing here to lock the layers panel. Next thing, I want to put in a title. So to put in a title, before I put in the text, I need to plan where it's going to go. So to help me organize my layout, I can use guides. So I can just pull them down from the top ruler or pull them across from the ruler on the left there. So for my title, I'm going to have my title near the top, and it's going to fill about that sort of space. So this guide, it's just to help me. It will disappear when I make my final file. Okay, when I make my JPEG or my PDF, you won't see the guide. It's just for me to use temporarily. So now I need to go to the text tool, select the text tool. Let's draw in my text box. So I'm clicking with my mouse pad and then dragging. Okay, you can see here just about the size of the text. It's at 12. It needs to be much bigger than that. I mean, it needs to be about 160 for my purposes. So now I'm going to type in the name of my destination, Langtang. Still way too small, isn't it? So not too sure why you can't see more of this text panel here. But let's make it up to 350. Okay, that will do for now. So that's my title. The size okay. I'm just going to use my move tool though and just shift it so it's more centered. So you can see it's more evenly spaced left and right. Okay, good. So now I'm going to go to my layers panel. I'm going to lock this text so it can't be moved by accident later. I'm now going to try and bring in a photo. So you do want to have a bunch of photos in your poster. So I'm going to go to this file, this folder here, and I'm going to pull in an image. Okay. The image I want is this one. So I can just drag it, pull it in. I need to convert. Let's bring this back up. Now this image is way too big for my artboard, for my page, so I need to use the scale tool here. Let's click that, then click my picture. These little anchor points appear and we can just drag it, pull it down. Okay, to the size I want. Now I want to crop this because I don't want to see this guy in here, so I just want to see the mountain tops and the sky. So I'll go to the crop tool, select my, let it finish loading, select my image, select the area that I want, and then release the mouse pad, and return. Okay, so now I've got the bit selected that I want to, and I'm going to use the move tool again just to shift my image up and down. I actually want it to be right at the bottom, so there you go. And now I'm going to lock this image as well. I'm going to lock it. I'm just going to give it a title as well that I recognize, so I'm going to call it Panorama. Okay, so what you have here, this is the basics of using GIMP. Okay, we've got some text elements in here, we've used some guides, we have brought in a picture, and we've cropped that picture. Okay,